Hi dear children, today we are going to do exercise 7.2. First question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of ordered pair minus 1 comma 7 and ordered pair 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So we need to find out the point which divides our line joining the points ordered pair minus 1 comma 7 and ordered pair 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So we need to find out the point which divides our line joining the points minus 1 comma 7 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay. Now by using section formula, we know that if a point P of x comma y divides a line joining the points ordered pair x1 comma y1 and ordered pair x2 comma y2 in the ratio m1:m2, then the coordinates are x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. So the coordinates of a point which divides our line in the ratio m1:m2 is x is equal to this one and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So instead of this x1 comma y1, here we have minus 1 comma 7, x2 comma y2 we have 4 comma minus 3, and m1:m2 we have 2:3. So just substitute that values in this formula. Then we will have m1 is 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now this is equal to 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 5 is equal to minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So the coordinates of the point which divides our line in the ratio 2:3 is ordered pair 1 comma 3. Therefore ordered pair 1 comma 3 is our required point. Fourth question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points ordered pair minus 3 comma 10 and ordered pair 6 comma minus 8 is divided by ordered pair minus 1 comma 6. In this problem we need to find out the ratio in which the point divides our line. Okay. Here the points minus 3 comma 10, this is our initial point, and 6 comma minus 8, that is our terminal point, and the point minus 1 comma 6, that point divides our line joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and ordered pair 6 comma minus 8. So instead of this p, here we have minus 1 comma 6. So the x1 comma y1, that is minus 3 comma 10, and the x2 comma y2, that is 6 comma minus 8, and x comma y, usually we will take the coordinates of p as x comma y. So instead of this x comma y, here we have minus 1 comma 6, and we will consider this ratio as k is to, we will consider the ratio as k is to 1. If the ratio is k is to 1, then the x coordinate is kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, and y coordinate is equal to ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. This we know, and we discussed this in the video section formula. Now either we can use the first one, x is equal to, because we need to find out the value of k here. We have only one unknown, and if we have one unknown, then one equation is enough to find out the value of that unknown. So either you can use this x formula or you can use this y formula. Anyway, I am going to use this x formula. So this implies x value, instead of x, what we have here, minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to k, we don't know, and the x2 is 6. So we can write it as 6k plus x1. x1 is minus 3 divided by k plus 1. So that implies, what you will get, take this k plus 1 into LHS. So this implies minus k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3, right? Take this k plus 1 into LHS, then that is minus k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Now open this bracket, that is minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Take this minus 3 into LHS and minus k into RHS. That is minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6k plus k. It is equal to 7k, and here it is 2. Then what is the value of k? K is equal to 2 by 7. K is equal to 2 by 7, and we took our ratio as k is to 1. Then we will have k is to 1 implies 2 by 7 is to 1. This implies 2 is to 7. So that point ordered pair minus 1 comma 6 divides our line in the ratio 2 is to 7. So this is our required ratio. Next question. 7th question. Find the coordinates of a point capital A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is ordered pair 2 comma minus 3 and B is ordered pair 1 comma 4. So we have one circle here and center is given, and one end point of the diameter is also given. Circle, center, suppose this is a diameter, let it be A and this one be B. The center is given, that is ordered pair 2 comma minus 3. Center is ordered pair 2 comma minus 3, and B is also given, that is 1 comma 4. Now we need to find out the coordinates of A. Let it be ordered pair x1 comma y1, and I am going to consider this as P. We know that if AB is the diameter, then P is the midpoint. In general, center of a circle is the midpoint of the diameter. Center of the circle is always the midpoint of the diameter. That means this P divides a diameter in the ratio 1 is to 1. Since this P is the center of that circle, and that center of the circle divides our diameter in the ratio 1 is to 1. Or we can say that this P is the midpoint of the diameter. P is the midpoint of the diameter. Then we can use that midpoint formula. What is our midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. And x1, y1 that we don't know, we need to find it. and this one is x2, y2. And what is our x and y? X and y, usually we will take that point which divides our line, right? So this is our x and y. Now just substitute the values. This implies, what is the value of x from this? 2. 2 is equal to, x1 we don't know, x2 is 1 divided by 2 implies, take this 2 into LHS, then 4 is equal to x1 plus 1. This implies x1 is equal to 3. Okay, x1 is equal to 3. Now consider the second one, y implies y value is minus 3 is equal to y1 plus, what is the value of y2? That is 4 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6 is equal to y1 plus 4. Now take that 4 into LHS, then minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y1. That means y1 is equal to, what is our y1? y1 is equal to minus 10. So x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 10. In this problem, you should know that the center divides our diameter in the ratio 1:1. Next question, 8th problem. If capital A and capital B are ordered by a minus 2, minus 2 and 2, 4, minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Okay, so AB is given. AB, the A coordinate minus 2, minus 2, this is our A, and B 2, minus 4, B 2, minus 4. And in this problem, that indirectly that ratio is given, that is AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Okay, so let it be P. Okay, AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. That means if you divide this AB into 7 parts, if you divide this AB into 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you divide this AB into 7 parts, then this AP is 3 by 7 of AB. AP is 3 by 7 of AB. Okay, this AP 1, 2, 3. If you divide this AB into 7 parts, 7 equal parts, then this AB constitute that first 3 parts. Okay, that is the meaning of this one. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB means if you divide your AB into 7 equal parts, then AP is the first 3 parts. AP is equal to that first 3 parts. That means this is 3 and the remaining we have 4 parts. That means this P divides our line AB in the ratio 3:4. That P divides our line in the ratio 3:4. Once again, just listen. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB means if you divide AB into 7 equal parts, then that AP is first 3 parts of AB. Then the remaining 4 parts will be then that PB is equal to 4 by 7 AB. PB is equal to 4 by 7 AB. That means this point P of x, y divides our line AB in the ratio 3:4. Clear? Now we are going to apply section formula. Section formula, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so instead of this x1 comma y1, what we have here, the first one we will always take it as x1 comma y1, and this one is our x2 comma y2. And what is our m1 is to m2? That is our 3:7. m1 m2, m1 is to m2 is 3:7. Now just substitute that values. m1 is 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 4, 7, is equal to 6 minus 8 divided by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7. And this is equal to 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 divided by 7 is equal to minus 12 minus 8 divided by 7 is equal to minus 20 by 7. So the coordinates of P are minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. Therefore, the required point is ordered pair minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7, or the point minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7 divides our line AB in the ratio 3:4.